Tired of confusing decentralized exchanges? Let's break down the ultimate DEX showdown: Uniswap vs Raydium. First, the foundation Uniswap lives on Ethereum, the DeFi giant, while Raydium thrives on Solana. Known for its speed, Ethereum can be slower and pricier, especially during peak times, while Solana boasts lightning-fast transactions at a fraction of the cost. Uniswap boasts massive liquidity, meaning it's easier to trade large amounts of popular tokens with minimal slippage. You can easily swap tokens, contribute to liquidity pools, and earn fees, a core element of DeFi. Raydium gives you access to a wide array of tokens on the Solana blockchain. The platform is known for its user-friendly interface and offers similar functionalities to Uniswap, like token swaps, liquidity providing, and attractive yield farming opportunities, all at a lower cost. Token selection varies, with each DEX hosting unique projects. Consider which tokens you want to trade when making your choice. So, which DEX reigns supreme? It depends. If you favor Ethereum's established ecosystem and deep liquidity, Uniswap is your go-to. But if you prioritize speed, lower fees, and want to explore the Solana ecosystem, Raydium is a compelling option. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. Weigh the pros and cons, explore both platforms, and happy trading. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DeFi breakdowns.